Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will learn how we can inspect elements that disappear on hover. I came across this scenario while testing in my organization, but I couldn't find an exact scenario like that. So we can use Flipkart website to display that behavior. So what is the scenario is, suppose if I want to inspect this mobiles. I right click on it and it disappears. So there's an alternative here is it is like if I click on inspect and if I open mobiles and I click on my inspect icon, I can inspect. But in various websites, there will be scenario that even if you right click or simply click or open inspect, it will disappear. Okay, so there's no way to inspect that. As soon as it detects any kind of click, maybe it's right click or normal click, the element will disappear. So how we can inspect those elements, that we will learn today. So there is a short trick that we can use in order to inspect those elements. So the trick is, suppose I want to inspect mobiles, so it will disappear on click. So I can inspect it using following steps. So first we go to sources tab. Okay, let me start it from the starting. First right click, go to inspect your Chrome developer tools and then go to sources tab. And then make that element appear on screen that you want to inspect and the element that disappears on click. So I have made that element appear on screen. So I want to inspect this mobile. Now, if you are using Windows, then press Control plus slash. You have to press Control plus slash. Okay. So if I press Control plus slash, you can see I entered into the debugger mode. If you are on Mac, then press Fn plus F8 key together in order to enter the debugger mode. Now you see the screen is paused now. Now you click on your inspect tools and click on the element that you want to inspect. So if I click on mobile, now I can get all those elements. If I want to inspect this element, I can get this element too. So in this way, you can inspect any element. So these steps, if I repeat this, go to sources tab, hover over the element that you want to inspect. Then press Control plus slash if you are on Windows, Fn plus F8 key if you are on Mac. And then using your inspect tool, inspect that element, the element that appeared on hover and get the locator of that element. To basically come out of the debugger mode, you can click on this small icon and now you are out of the debugger mode. I hope you like this video. If you found this video useful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.